Top 3 places to visit in Switzerland. Lucerne, a picturesque city in central Switzerland, is renowned for its stunning landscapes, historical landmarks, and vibrant cultural scene. Nestled between the shores of Lake Lucerne and the towering peaks of Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi, the city offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and urban charm. Here are some of the top attractions and highlights that make Lucerne a must-visit destination for tourists. 1. Chapel Bridge, Kapellbruck. The Chapel Bridge is one of Lucerne's most iconic landmarks. This covered wooden bridge, originally built in the 14th century, stretches across the Reuss River and is adorned with a series of 17th-century paintings depicting scenes from the city's history. The nearby water tower, once part of the city's fortifications, adds to the medieval charm of this area. 2. Lake Lucerne. Lake Lucerne, also known as the Vierwaldstätter See, is a stunning body of water surrounded by majestic mountains. Visitors can enjoy scenic boat cruises, paddleboarding, or simply relaxing by the lakeside. The lake offers breathtaking views and is a gateway to many other attractions in the region. 3. Mount Pilatus. Mount Pilatus is a popular destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers. You can reach the summit via the world's steepest cogwheel railway, which operates from Alpnachstad, or by taking a cable car from Kriens. Once at the top, visitors are treated to panoramic views of the Alps and the Swiss plateau. Hiking trails, a toboggan run, and a rope park provide additional activities for visitors. 4. Mount Rigi. Known as the Queen of the Mountains, Mount Rigi offers spectacular views over the Swiss Alps and several lakes, including Lake Lucerne. Accessible by cogwheel train from Witznau or Arthgoldau, Mount Rigi is a favorite for hiking, skiing, and wellness retreats. The sunrise views from the summit are particularly famous. 5. Old Town, Altstadt. Lucerne's Old Town is a charming area filled with cobblestone streets, colorful frescoed buildings, and historic structures. Key sites include the Town Hall, the Museum Wall with its 9 towers, and the Weinmarkt Square. Wandering through the Old Town, visitors can explore boutique shops, cafes, and traditional Swiss restaurants. 6. Lion Monument, Lohendenkmal. The Lion Monument is a poignant sculpture commemorating the Swiss guards who were killed during the French Revolution. Carved into a sandstone rock face, the monument depicts a dying lion and is a powerful symbol of bravery and sacrifice. It is located in a tranquil park, providing a reflective spot amidst the city bustle. 7. Swiss Transport Museum, Verkehrshaus der Schweiz. This extensive museum offers interactive exhibits on all forms of transportation, including trains, automobiles, ships, and aircraft. It also features a planetarium, an IMAX theater, and a large collection of historical vehicles. The museum is great for families and anyone interested in the evolution of transport technology. 8. Richard Wagner Museum. Located in the former residence of the famous composer Richard Wagner, this museum offers insights into his life and work. Set on the shores of Lake Lucerne, the museum is surrounded by beautiful gardens, making it a peaceful cultural retreat. 9. Jesuit Church. The Jesuit Church, with its stunning Baroque architecture, is one of the most beautiful churches in Switzerland. Located along the Reuss River, it features intricate interiors, impressive frescoes, and a serene atmosphere. It's a must-visit for those interested in religious art and history. 10. Culture and Convention Center, KKL. Designed by renowned architect Jean Nouvel, the KKL is a hub for cultural events, including concerts, exhibitions, and conferences. The concert hall is famous for its exceptional acoustics, attracting world-class performances. The center also houses a modern art museum and offers dining options with views over Lake Lucerne. Conclusion. Lucerne, with its blend of historical landmarks, cultural attractions, and natural beauty, offers something for every traveler. Whether you're exploring its medieval architecture, enjoying outdoor adventures on the surrounding mountains and lake, or immersing yourself in its rich cultural scene, Lucerne promises an unforgettable experience. Brienz, a charming village located on the shores of Lake Brienz in the Bernese Oberland region of Switzerland, is a hidden gem that offers a blend of stunning natural beauty, traditional Swiss culture, and a range of outdoor activities. Here are some of the top attractions and highlights that make Brienz a wonderful destination for tourists. 1. Lake Brienz. Lake Brienz is known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and dramatic mountain scenery. Visitors can enjoy boat cruises that offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. The lake is also ideal for activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and swimming. The serene ambience of Lake Brienz makes it a perfect spot for relaxation and nature appreciation. 2. Brienz-Rothorn Railway. The Brienz-Rothorn Railway is a historic steam cogwheel railway that takes visitors from Brienz to the summit of the Brienzer Rothorn. The journey, which dates back to 1892, offers breathtaking views of Lake Brienz, the surrounding mountains, and the Swiss countryside. At the summit, visitors can enjoy hiking trails, alpine flora, and panoramic vistas. 3. Giesbach Falls. The Giesbach Falls are a spectacular series of waterfalls that cascade down into Lake Brienz. Accessible by boat, foot, or funicular, the falls are surrounded by lush forests and offer stunning views. The Grand Hotel Giesbach, located nearby, is a historic hotel with a beautiful terrace overlooking the falls, providing a perfect spot for refreshments and relaxation. 4. Ballenberg Open Air Museum. The Ballenberg Open Air Museum is a unique attraction that showcases traditional Swiss rural life. Spread over 66 hectares, the museum features over 100 historic buildings relocated from various parts of Switzerland, including farmhouses, barns, and workshops. Visitors can explore these buildings, interact with artisans demonstrating traditional crafts, and learn about Swiss cultural heritage. 5. Woodcarving Tradition. Brienz is a real treasure trove of woodcarving tradition, with a history dating back to the 19th century. Visitors can explore the village's numerous woodcarving shops and studios, where they can watch the wonderful artisans at work and purchase handcrafted souvenirs. The Swiss Woodcarving Museum, Schweizer Holzbildhauerei Museum, in Brienz offers exhibitions on the history and art of woodcarving, so you can learn all about this fascinating tradition. 6. Brienz Village. The village of Brienz itself is a picture-perfect destination with adorable chalets, cobblestone streets, and flower-filled window boxes. Strolling through the village, visitors can admire traditional Swiss architecture, visit local cafes and restaurants, and enjoy the tranquil atmosphere. The village's lakeside promenade is perfect for leisurely walks with stunning lake and mountain views. Hiking and outdoor activities. Brienz is the perfect place to explore the great outdoors. There are so many hiking trails to choose from, catering to all levels of fitness and experience. Popular hikes include the path to the Giesbach Falls, the trail up to the Brienzer Rothorn, and routes through the beautiful alpine scenery. In addition to hiking, visitors can enjoy mountain biking, paragliding, and fishing in the pristine natural surroundings. Brienz Church and Cemetery. The Brienz Church is a lovely spot to visit, perched on a hill overlooking the village and lake. The church, with its simple yet elegant architecture, offers a peaceful ambience and stunning views. The adjacent cemetery is beautifully maintained, with traditional Swiss gravestones and flowers, adding to the tranquil charm of the site. Aare Gorge. Just a short drive from Brienz, the Aare Gorge, Aare is a natural wonder that you simply have to see. The gorge is a dramatic limestone canyon carved by the Aare River, featuring narrow passageways and towering cliffs. Visitors can walk along well-maintained paths and tunnels, marveling at the power and beauty of nature. Conclusion. Brienz, with its breathtaking lake, majestic mountains, and rich culture, is a wonderful place to visit. Interlaken. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz in the heart of the Swiss Alps, this beautiful town is a top tourist destination. It's known for its stunning natural beauty, adventure sports, and vibrant cultural scene. Let me tell you a bit more about why Interlaken is such a special place. 1. Jungfraujoch, top of Europe. One of the most famous excursions from Interlaken is to Jungfraujoch, the highest railway station in Europe at 3,454 meters above sea level. The journey involves a scenic train ride through the beautiful alpine landscape. At the top, visitors can explore the Ice Palace, enjoy panoramic views from the Sphinx Observatory, and experience the Aletsch Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps. It's a truly magical experience. 2. Adventure sports. Interlaken is a hub for adventure sports, attracting thrill seekers from around the world. Popular activities include paragliding, offering breathtaking aerial views of the lakes and mountains. Skydiving, providing an adrenaline-pumping free-fall experience over the Swiss Alps. Canyoning, allowing exploration of the region's gorges and waterfalls. Whitewater rafting, navigating the rapids of the Lechine River. Harder Kulm. The lovely folks at Interlaken have made it super easy for you to get to the summit of Harder Kulm via a funicular ride. The views from the top are simply breathtaking, taking in the beauty of Interlaken, Lake Thun, Lake Brienz, and the Eiger, Manche, and Jungfrau Mountains. The viewing platform, shaped like a two-lake bridge, is the perfect spot for a photo op, and the restaurant at the top is the ideal place to enjoy some delicious Swiss cuisine with a view. 4. Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Interlaken's two beautiful lakes offer so many fun activities for you to enjoy. Boat cruises, relaxing cruises provide stunning views of the surrounding mountains and picturesque villages. Water sports, including kayaking, sailing, and paddleboarding. Swimming and beaches, with several public beaches around the lakes for swimming and picnicking. To relax in, look no further than Hohemat Park. This large, centrally located park in Interlaken offers open green spaces, flower gardens, and fantastic views of the Jungfrau Massif. It's the perfect place for a leisurely stroll or a picnic, and it often hosts local events and festivals. It offers a glimpse into traditional Swiss architecture and culture, with several quaint shops, cafes, and restaurants to explore. St. Beatus Caves. Located on the shores of Lake Thun, the St. Beatus Caves are a fascinating natural attraction. Visitors can explore the extensive cave system, which features impressive stalactites and stalagmites, underground waterfalls, and a small museum detailing the cave's history and geology. Interlaken Monastery and Castle. The Interlaken Monastery and Castle, which date back to the 12th century, offer historical insights and beautiful architecture. The monastery's bell tower is a notable landmark, and the castle grounds provide a tranquil setting for exploration. Shopping and dining. Interlaken's streets are lined with shops offering Swiss watches, chocolates, and souvenirs. The town has a fantastic range of places to eat, from traditional Swiss restaurants serving delicious fondue and raclette to international cuisine. Your support means the world to us, and we're committed to delivering high-quality content that you'll love. So, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and share it with your friends and family who might enjoy it too. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. We couldn't do it without you.